Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you have Jira Cloud Admin and GitHub Org Admin right so you can install integrations. Next, install the official GitHub for Jira app and grant it repository scopes and webhook permissions. This connects commit and PR data. Once done, create a consistent project key and branch naming pattern like feature/issue 123 so Jira auto-links references. Make sure service users and tokens are provisioned now to avoid permission friction down the line. Now you map events. Decide which GitHub hooks trigger Jira transitions. For example, PR merged moves the issue to done. You configure smart commits so commit messages containing issue 123 hash comment update Jira. This is how Jira parses context from GitHub. Once mapped, create automation rules in Jira and corresponding GitHub actions to post CI status and build artifacts. This ensures issue state reflects code reality. Make sure permissions allow webhooks to post and finish by verifying the end-to-end flow. Push a branch named with the Jira key, open a PR, and watch Jira auto-link and update the issue. Once confirmed, audit webhook delivery logs and automation history to ensure events arrived and actions ran. If something goes wrong, check app installation scopes first, then reauthorize the GitHub for Jira app or regenerate the integration token. This usually fixes missing linkages. Finally, document the setup so your team knows branch, commit, and PR conventions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.